So today we are doing a most requested video in our YouTube channel and in our Instagram as well. So we will be giving you a tour to Fian's Playroom. So welcome to
Fian's Playroom.
Yes, let's go with us.
So welcome to Fian's Playroom. So here is Fian's Playroom. You can see here we have actually used all simple things to make a playroom where he can enjoy and play. So this is a playroom where I do not want to spend so much money and wanted to keep it simple and something functional and that I can change later on actually. So as he will grow older, I can easily change the room according to his interest or according to his age. So that was the main goal of mine, to not invest too much in terms of the wall decor or in terms of the furnitures. So the furniture I have chosen in his room, those are very simple, and you can see some of the furniture that can be restyled later on. So when I have buy this cube, you can see this is an 8 cube that I have got from Kmart. So I use it as Fian's Playroom toy storage box. So you can also see this wooden letter that I have ordered from one of the small business in Brisbane and made this frame from Kmart, printed out from office work. You can see I have used the other furniture that I have storage, the book, that is also from Kmart, and they're really not expensive. So here you can see I have kept few of his books. Then you can also see I have kept some of the boxes empty so I can have room for different kind of toys for him. So here you can see, so I can show you now. So these boxes have some bulk cars. These have some toolbox, fire trucks, some puzzles downstairs, and then you can see some of his small books, some magnet toys. Of course he have more cars because he loves cars, and some of the puzzles. And then you can see this bookshelf that actually dish rack from IKEA I bought, and I thought I can use it here, and later on if he's not using it I can use it somewhere else. So I have restyled something unusual here. So this is a small storage cabinet for Fian. So all his small toys, I have actually used some sandwich bags. So the puzzle you can see here, I have kept in the puzzle and the sandwich bags together. So when he finishes playing, he can put them back in the sandwich bag and it's going to be in one place rather than going all over the place. So I do have a rules for Fian. Whenever we are finishing one game, we have to put it back in where it belongs. So that way I have said it to him is you have to put the toys in their home where they belong. So whenever he finishes game, he put them in the sandwich bags and put them the exactly same places they belongs to. And there are some of the toys, you can see some bulk toys, some random toys that doesn't fit in the boxes that I have kept in these 2 big storage cubes. And that's pretty much it. There is nothing fancy I have actually spent. So this is a Teepee. I have bought it from Kmart, the carpet and the cushions as well. This wall decor you can see I bought it from eBay. They're really like super cheap. I think it cost me like $10 or $15 to buy like 200 or 300 stickers. So me and my husband have actually put it in. You can take it off anytime. So here you can see Fian is playing in his playroom, and he actually spent most of his time in here and in living room. So whenever he's playing here, I always encourage him to pack everything after he finish, put them where they belong to. So whenever he want to read something, I will do with him or he will do by himself, and the rule says he have to put it back after he finish where it's belong. So that's pretty much, you have to be make your own rules how your child will listen, because fine like to do pretend play, fine like his home too much, so I have used the word home, that the toys belong to their home, so he listens. So that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoy our